How to remove card from iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove your card on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically remove your card from your iPhone, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch the settings application here. Once you launch the settings app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you have to just tap the profile icon, which is at the very top of the screen. So once you tap on it, you're going to land on this page where you have to go to the option that says payment and shipping. So just tap on payment and shipping. Once you tap on payment and shipping, it will ask you to verify with your Face ID first, so go ahead and do that, and then it is going to ask you to see all of the card details that you have. So basically any card details that you might have added to your Apple ID will most likely appear up over here. You can tap on either of those cards. In my case I've not added, so you'll have the option to add it if you haven't, but basically you can follow the on-screen instructions and then remove them accordingly. And that's it on how you can go ahead and remove card from your iPhone. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.